Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making Gulab Jamun, Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin.
I'm hungry.
If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Before we begin, I would like to talk about my recent purchase. I have been amazed by how perfect it is, my magic whisk. It works perfectly, removing all the lumps that appear in foods. It has a soft handle with a nice grip. Hence, this video is sponsored by Amazon. Help me post new yummy recipes by using the link down below to purchase this whisk.
I'm hungry.
So first of all, in a pan add 2 cups of water. To that add 3 cups of sugar. After that add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now add 6 cardamom pods. These are peeled open slightly.
I'm hungry.
Now whisk and leave on high flame. Okay, now let's move on to making our gulab jamun. So in a bowl add 1.5 cups of milk powder. Then to that add 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Now mix them thoroughly. Now to the milk powder, add half a cup of whole milk. Now whisk it all together and remove the lumps. In another bowl, add half a cup of all-purpose flour. To that, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now just mix them together. What you have to do now is add the flour to the milk powder batter we prepared earlier. Now mix them thoroughly and make into a dough. Remember to add more flour if needed. So as you can see here, our syrup is nearly ready. What we have to do is, now, to see if it's sticky. It is sticky, so now what we're going to do is put on a low flame and cover. What you have to do here is take some dough and make them into round balls. You can choose the size you want. Time to fry our gulab jamuns. Make sure the oil is hot and fry on medium heat. It takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes to cook them.
I'm hungry.
As soon as the gulab jamuns are fried, add them to the syrup straight away and turn off the flame for the syrup. Now what we have to do is transfer the gulab jamun with the syrup in a bowl and leave for half an hour until it cools down. Here we are after half an hour. Time to serve our gulab jamuns. I can't wait to try some. They look so delicious.